Welcome to the offices of dtimes3 and the latest demonstration of our latest iPad application. This is D3 brochure mail, specifically running on an iPad. You're currently looking at an iPad 1 from the camera of an iPad 2. Viewing your brochures couldn't be simpler. Flick through the PDFs, examine them page by page, and navigate around your brochureware. Go back to a carousel featuring all of your products and services. Examine every detail on screen. When you want to actually email a brochure, select the appropriate brochure, navigate to the input page, input simple details of the Christian name and surname of the email recipient, the company they represent, and then insert their email address. While Rachel's doing that, I'll just explain that the iPad 2 comes with front and rear camera. It's now 33% thinner than the first iPad, and it's also weighing in at 601 grams. A dual A5 processor to improve speed means two powerful cores in one A5 chip. That means the new iPad 2 is capable of multitasking. It's smoother, applications load faster, and everything just works better. A really high performance and low power mechanism to deliver your brochureware. So as you can see, it's been emailed, and in Rachel's email account the brochures have now arrived. Satisfactory delivery using D3 brochure mail for iPad.